everyone. Welcome to Homes Inspiration Studios, your go-to source for all things home design and construction. Today, we're diving deep into the enchanting world of Canopy bed curtains and create a dreamy bedroom with style and comfort. But before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Ever gazed at a dreamy bedroom with those flowing drapes framing the bed and thought, I want that? Well, you're not alone. Canopy bed curtains aren't just about aesthetics, they're a statement of style, comfort, and pure indulgence. So, let's pull back the curtains on this luxurious trend and explore why you need one in your life. A canopy bed curtain design is essentially a fabric enclosure that drapes gracefully over a bed. It's like creating a cozy cocoon within your bedroom. Traditionally, canopies were reserved for royalty and nobility, but thankfully, we mere mortals can now enjoy this touch of opulence in our own homes. Why choose a bed with canopy bed curtains? Beyond looking absolutely stunning, canopy bed curtains offer a host of benefits, such as: first, privacy. Feel like you're in a secluded sanctuary, shielded from the world. Second, ambience. Create a romantic and intimate atmosphere perfect for relaxation. Third, aesthetics. Add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your bedroom. Fourth, functionality. Can help block out light and noise for a better night's sleep. What best material for canopy bed curtains? The perfect material depends on your desired look and feel. Here are some popular options. 1. Sheer fabrics. Create a dreamy, airy ambience. 2. Velvet. Adds a touch of luxury and opulence. 3. Linen. Offers a natural, relaxed look. 4. Cotton. Versatile and easy to care for. 5. Silk. Ultimate luxury for the most indulgent experience. How to make your bedroom look stylish with canopy bed curtains. Ready to transform your bedroom into a dreamy escape? Here are some tips to make your bedroom look stylish with canopy bed curtains. First, choose the right fabric. Opt for materials that complement your bedroom's style, such as sheer for a romantic look or velvet for a luxurious vibe. Second, consider the color scheme. Match your canopy to your overall bedroom color palette or create a striking contrast. Third, experiment with draping. There are countless ways to drape your canopy curtains, from simple and elegant to dramatic and flowing. Fourth, add accessories. Enhance the look with decorative elements like tassels, pom-poms, or lace trim. Fifth, lighting matters. Create a magical atmosphere with soft, ambient lighting, such as fairy lights or candles. Looking for inspiration to create a stunning canopy bed? Here these the collection of the top 10 best canopy bed curtains design ideas to elevate your bedroom and to inspire you for your next project. 1. Romantic and dreamy. Soft pink sheer curtains with delicate lace trim and twinkling fairy lights for an ethereal, feminine vibe. 2. Luxurious and opulent. Indulge in the ultimate opulence with deep emerald velvet canopy curtains paired with gold accents for a regal atmosphere. 3. Boho chic. Embrace free-spirited style with a macrame-inspired canopy featuring natural fibers and earthy tones, complemented by tasseled curtains. 4. Modern minimalist. Create a clean and contemporary look with a sleek white canopy made from crisp cotton or linen, accented with geometric patterns. 5. Vintage charm. Transport yourself to a bygone era with a lace canopy adorned with antique-inspired details and soft pastel hues. 6. Tropical paradise. Bring the outdoors in with a vibrant canopy featuring tropical leaf prints in bold colors, perfect for a vacation-inspired retreat. 7. Nautical retreat. Achieve a coastal-inspired ambience with a striped canopy in classic navy and white, complemented by nautical-themed accents. 8. Glamorous in gold. Add a touch of Hollywood glamour with a metallic gold canopy that shimmers in the light, creating a dazzling focal point. 9. Cozy and inviting. Create a warm and inviting space with a knitted canopy in soft, neutral tones, perfect for curling up with a good book. 10. Playful and fun. Add a pop of personality with a polka dot canopy in a bold color, perfect for creating a cheerful and energetic atmosphere. Canopy bed curtains are more than just a decorative element, they're a gateway to a world of relaxation, style, and pure indulgence. By carefully considering fabric, color, and draping, you can create a bedroom that's truly your personal oasis. So, why wait? Transform your sleep space into a dreamy retreat with the magic of Canopy bed curtains. Ready to embark on your Canopy bed curtain journey? For more inspiration and step-by-step tutorials, check out our YouTube channel, Home Inspiration Studios. We're your go-to source for all things home decor and design. After this, we will provide you gallery of best Canopy bed curtains design gallery ideas for your inspiration. Thanks for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Don't forget to subscribe to the Homes Inspiration Studio channel for more inspiring interior design and home decor contents. Thank you and see you on the next inspiring and informative videos.